Alright guys, so let's take a look at this question, which is discussing resultant force. It says the figure below shows a cyclist on a straight and level road. It says the cyclist's initial speed is 0, but the cyclist pushes on the pedals so that there is a constant forward force on the bike. The force of air resistance increases as speed increases. Explain why the speed of the cyclist reaches a maximum value. So when we've talked about in this topic, maximum value of speed that an object reaches is talking about terminal velocity here, but that's to do with the forces acting on the object. Okay, so we can see they've said that the force acting on the bike forwards is constant, it's a constant forward force, but over time the air resistance is increasing. Yeah, so what we need to identify is what's going to happen to those forces to mean that it reaches a maximum speed, that it won't speed up anymore. So the reason is the air resistance is going to increase until it eventually becomes balanced or equal to the forward force. So if they're both balanced, the resultant force on the object is 0, it has an acceleration of 0, so it doesn't get any faster and it reaches its maximum speed, what we call terminal velocity. So the 2 marks that they're looking for here are simply that air resistance increases until it equals the forward force, and there's your first mark, and then the second mark will say therefore the resultant force becomes 0, and that's the reason why the speed reaches the maximum value. So you get your 2 marks there.